Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. When you're creating a slider, a pop-up, or anything else in Depicter, you'd come to realize that your theme fonts, the system font, and Google font are all inherited in Depicter. However, let's say you'd like to add your own custom font to your design. In this video, you'll learn how to do that. This font that you see here is a custom font that I uploaded and added to Depicter by installing a plugin. Let me show you how I've done it. First, go to Plugins, Add New, and search Custom Font. There's the plugin that you're gonna need. Install and activate it. Now go to Custom Fonts, which is just added in appearance in your dashboard. Click on Add New Font and upload your custom font file from here. Input the font name and save it. Now go to Depicter. Open your slider template. Select the text that you want to change its font and choose the font that you just added from here in Theme Fonts. You can see the system fonts and the Google fonts, which you can choose from as well. Change the font for all slides. Now hit publish. And this is the final result, our slider with the custom font that we added looking great on our website. Claim your 100% discount code before someone else does. And leave a comment to let everyone know you've claimed it. Otherwise, the product will be removed from your account. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Ciao.